So a quick analysis on our AUDUSD. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe. I need you to just subscribe, like and share. We can see on our AUD USD, by the way, we have actually been going bullish, by the way. And if you are to analyze our USD, we see that our USD wants to start giving us a bullish move for today, which it has opened bullish for today. So, and any pair relating to it should actually at least be dropping. Sorry, by the way. So at least our odd should actually be dropping, and you can see it. As you can see it, our odd has actually opened bearish for today, which our odd, yes, so which our odd has actually dropped for today. You can see at least about 21 pips, and we should probably be seeing that our or drop at least this our level here, which is about 0.711. Right now we are at 0.717, but we should be seeing our price drops to about 0.711 before we can actually not see that bullish move, a little bit of bullish move. By the way, let's see how our price will actually react. If we have to continue to go bullish, then we should see it as a retracement. So retracement, hit our retracement, then bounce up, probably giving us a double top before we actually now see a fall, or probably hit this our area here, giving us a double top around this our area here. This our key level before we actually now see a drop. So there are two ways our odd will actually be reversing when it's pushing up. Two ways: it's either it reverses around this our area here, or it pushes up and reverses around this our area here before we actually now see that drop on our odd USD. On our 4-hour time frame, same thing. That I am seeing what my daily time frame is showing me is what I probably want to be trading on my 4-hour time frame, what my price is showing me, because the daily time frame shows the overall market, so the lower time frame just tells us the put, where to enter, the entering trigger, or where to sell or buy. So whatever we want to see, so same thing I'll be looking for on my 4-hour time frame, and my 1-hour time frame looking for a drop. By the way, we see we've broken our previous level, which is the previous higher lows. You can see it, this previous, we saw the higher highs, the higher lows, right? These are previous higher lows. Our price has already broken below it, so we should be seeing a drop. By the way, now a drop where our price will break these higher lows, for today, and probably it's this higher lows here before we actually now see a push up. So let's see how our price will react today. So that is it. And one thing is that there's no major news on our oil that will be coming out that will actually affect our movements. The only news that will come out is a low impact expected in news on our forex, which is the building approval. This is the previous minus 18.5%. The forecast, this is the forecast. It's just trying to sometimes it used to be correct, or it even used to be better than it. But let's see how when our news release, we'll be able to get the news. By the way, on our audio, we have the company operating profits, we see, and we have the current accounts. We also have private sector. So many of these things are just low impact news that will affect our odd, that will actually affect the movement on our odd USD. So that is why I said let's be able to take a drop, because our USD will be pushing up for today. So that's my analysis for today. Thank you very much.